Hey everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to book a ride on BlaBlaCar quickly and easily. BlaBlaCar is a fantastic carpooling app that connects drivers with passengers traveling in the same direction, helping to save money and travel smarter. First, you need to download the BlaBlaCar app from your app store. Then you need to open the BlaBlaCar application. Then enter your departure city, Lisboa. Then enter your destination, Barcelona. And then you need to enter the travel date. Let's say it's tomorrow. Then hit on search bar. BlaBlaCar will show you a list of available rides, including the driver's name, car model, departure time, and price. You can also see the driver ratings and reviews, which help you pick a trustworthy ride. Once you find a ride that fits your schedule, click Book this ride. Then you will be asked to confirm the details and make payment through the app. BlaBlaCar accepts multiple payment methods, so you can choose whichever is most convenient. After booking, you will receive the driver's contact information, so you can communicate directly for pickup locations and any questions. Finally, on the day of your trip, make sure to arrive a few minutes early at the meeting point and have a great ride. And that's it. Booking a ride on BlaBlaCar is that simple. If this video helped, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy guides.